Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101, and we're about to plan the week of Valentine's Day. So here we go. I wanted to show you my new dividers, or like the new pages that I made for my dividers. These are from Planner Press. They're stunning, and I couldn't be more happy about them. I have printed them so they're front and back. I just love it. So speaking of Planner Press, we're going to use stickers from them. The only downfall is that I cannot cut them with my Cricut because the images are PDF, but I did fussy cut them with my hand, and that's okay. So I have this tool called Girl, and then that's what I used. So as you can see, the printing is not perfect and stuff is coming out because I had to figure out the pressure that is just correct, and I don't use that tool very often since I do have a very functional Cricut that has cut so many pages for me so far. But in instances like this where I'm absolutely obsessed with those stickers and I want them, I will print them as PDFs just as they are and cut them like so. Also, if this is your first time joining me, welcome. My name is Kasha, and I'm so glad you found me. If you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. You guys are the greatest. So I'm gonna go ahead and create an outline. Today is gonna be a very soft spread compared to last week's. So last week's was lots of reds and pinks and very bold. Today is going to be very like white and soft and subtle. So that's what it is. Yeah, again, I love the stickers from Planner Press. They are a monthly subscription. They give you like dividers and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I signed up for that, and we shall see how it goes. I did like the first 6 months, and we'll see. But yeah, so far I really like it. I was able to use it in multiple areas of my planner and my journal. So far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half yet again, and then use it on the edge of the sundae, and then we'll go from there. But once the edging is done, I'm gonna start adding more stickers and boxes and stuff like that. So yeah. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna I ruined part of the sticker because it got stuck together. My stickers are repositionable, but the adhesive is extremely strong, so it's not the easiest thing to do in the world. But I need a couple more, or at least one more flower to be cut in half and added to both sides because I like edging to be kind of all the way to the top. So let's do that. And once I do that, let's see, how about yeah, I don't know. These are stunning for sure. I already like how the edging looks. Even if I left it like that with the minimal look, it would be really great if I just wrote in it. But you guys know I really like a full spread. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add this Eiffel Tower right into my sidebar, like full on. Look how stunning it is. Like even the observation deck has a slightly different hue. I really like what those look like. So I'm just pulling one of the girls off this sheet. Yes, they're very large and they take a lot of space, but I think that if I put her right in the middle, like so, I'll be able to utilize the boxes and maybe put like a box and stuff on her. So let's go ahead and figure out where my checklists are going to go. My checklists are one thing that is not negotiable. If I have a regular day where I'm not traveling or going on vacations or even work traveling, these are not negotiable. They need to be in my planner. They steer me and let me know where I'm going in my life, and I need them. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and add there's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then I'm gonna start adding more stickers, you guys. Yeah. I think I like this softer look for Valentine's Day. I usually do super red and very hard pink ones, but I think I like it. I think it's gonna be a good thing for me to be able to kind of sit back and add all of this lovely stuff to the planner, and not feel too overwhelmed with the colors. So I realized that once I do a very bold spread, usually the next one or the one after that is very pastel-y, and I am completely fine with that. So I need to add more boxes. I'm just using the Mojo Jojo boxes. They are the winter ones. I don't know where my neutral went, so I couldn't find my gray ones to match this, but I think this like warms up the spread a little bit, those beige ones, like the gray beige. So I thought that was a good thing. Okay, let's add a couple more things to this spread. So boxes that I need for every day, I'm gonna add one for Tuesday and then one for Wednesday, and then I need one for Thursday. For Friday, yeah, no, yeah, I don't know what I need. I don't know what I need anymore. Let's add them and see. So Friday I have two things going on, so I'm gonna need more, but I'm gonna start adding other things in here as well. So look at this lantern, like I need this. I need this in my life. It's just stunning. They can put this on my street anytime they want. It is beautiful, almost vintagey looking like. And I am keeping them in front of me, because I have other stuff on the side, so I'm trying to kind of keep it all organized. Yeah, but look how beautiful all those things really are. So I'm gonna play a little bit with different aspects of this spread and add florals and different things into here until I feel like it's pretty full for me. So let's go ahead and do that and see how it goes. So I'm just adding small elements. We're gonna add this picture frame of old Paris. It's just gorgeous, right? Those columns. I forgot what the street is, but like I think there's a saying where somebody said it and it rang so true to me that Paris accepts change but also stays the same at the same time. And I can completely see that, right? Because when you go in there, it's like a piece of history, but it also does go on with the time where it has like modern equipment and modern stuff, and even some of the housing is very modern. So stunning, absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this building with this huge T. It's maybe it's Buckingham Palace, I'm not sure. But the tea thing, I drink so much tea, this is going to make me want to drink even more. So there we go, but I need to find more small elements to add to the spread to kind of make it fuller and more special. So here we go. I'm kind of working on dislodging them. Look at this like vintagey envelope. I think it's so beautiful. And yes, does this scream Valentine's Day? Absolutely no. And you could use this spread for any day that you wanted, but at the same time, Paris is probably the most romantic city in the world. So to me, it does scream Valentine's Day. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm going with this. So I'm gonna add very few faint hearts here and there, nothing too crazy. And Let's see. I'm going to be adding a couple more things in here. Let's add this flower. And there's so many lovely girls. I could hardly choose which one. I chose the redhead because I have red hair myself. And that was kind of the thing that I wanted in here. Like that's the only true pop of color is the girl. The rest of it is much more pale, which I really like. So her hair really stands out. This set is so large, it will probably last me another 4 spreads or so, but yeah, so far stunning, and I love using it, and the flowers that are included are breathtakingly beautiful. So I'm just gonna add small elements like this leaf and stuff like that to make sure that this spread looks and feels the way I like it, meaning is as filled as possible. So I'm kind of adding small hearts in here to play around with like the view of what this looks like, but so far so good. I really like it. I'm just pulling those very tiny hearts. Let's see, I think I want something bigger, not a strawberry and not a cage. However, how about this? It's like a heart thing, heart frame. I think that looks good, and like the smaller hearts and flowers could go all around it, and I think it will look good. Okay, what do you guys think about the spread? Like I said, I know it's not very Valentine's Day related, but I thought I'll make something slightly different, as I know everybody's going to be doing Valentine spreads, and as much as I like it, I'm also okay not doing it. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video, and I'll see you soon for another one. Bye.